Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where we dive into the world of online dating. Today, we're tackling how to get more likes on Bumble in 2025. If you're swiping away but not getting the attention you deserve, don't worry, I've got some fresh, actionable tips to help you stand out in this ever-evolving app. Let's jump right in. First things first, your profile is your storefront. Start with a killer profile picture. In 2025, Bumble's algorithm favors high-quality, authentic photos, so pick a clear, recent shot where you're smiling and looking confident. Avoid filters or group pics, people want to see the real you. Aim for at least 3 photos that showcase your personality and interests. Next, nail your bio. Write something engaging that sparks curiosity. Use Bumble's prompts wisely. Share fun facts, your hobbies, or what you're looking for in a match. Keep it positive, concise, and humorous. Nothing turns off potential likes like a negative vibe. Remember, authenticity is key. Be yourself to attract the right people. Timing matters big time. Log in during peak hours, like evenings or weekends, when more users are active. Bumble's 2025 updates might prioritize consistent engagers, so make swiping a habit. Also, leverage new features like super swipes or video intros to show genuine interest and boost your visibility. Don't forget the power of interaction. Once you match, send a thoughtful, personalized message right away. Ask about something in their profile to start a real conversation. This not only builds connections but can lead to more likes as the app rewards active users. Lastly, stay safe and genuine. Verify your profile if possible, and always be respectful. In 2025, Bumble emphasizes quality over quantity, so focus on meaningful engagements rather than mass swiping. There you have it. Simple steps to skyrocket your likes on Bumble. Try these out and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more dating tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.